Meanwhile, re-electionist Senator Lauren Legarda may be ahead in pre-election surveys, but she is not slowing down and wooing voters for their support for her in the coming polls. And Legarda is not only campaigning for herself, but for party mates as well. George Bandola tells us more.
While she enjoys the first and second spot in pre-election surveys, re-electionist Senator Lauren Legarda would still campaign. Legarda says voters should be informed what have she done in the Senate the past 2 terms she had.
Mga state universities and colleges, palengke, ayoko mag-rally masyado, ayoko mag-aksaya ng gasolina sa pag-motorcade, ayoko magdulot ng dumi at ingay sa ating kapaligiran.
At the Team Pinoy's proclamation rally in Plaza Miranda, Legarda chose to introduce her running mates and aggressively campaign for the ticket and its program, then campaigning for her name alone. Asking the people to join the administration's crusade of good governance is a much better than promoting on the candidates' names alone.
Told the President that I will continue to support this administration till the last day of his term because I believe in his vision of cleaning up and eliminating corruption in the bureaucracy. I believe in his vision of good governance, and I hope that the situation would greatly improve with more people supporting the President.
And if re-elected, Legarda assures the public that she will immediately push for laws that will expand government's healthcare coverage. Lauren also believes that the Senate should evolve into a more people-centered organization and that reforms are needed.
Yung universal healthcare ay halos matatapos na at yun ay gusto kong tapusin, yung pagpalawak para ma-cover lahat ng mahihirap ng pamilyang Pilipino sa PhilHealth para lahat ay may access sa healthcare sa ating bansa. Pangalawa, ang pagpalawak din ng ating scholarships sa ating mga universidad para ang mga mahihirap na batang may kapasidad ay magkapag-aral sa mahusay na mga universidad.
For People's Television, George Bandola.